Hello, good morning, guys. So I am here again. Yeah, so let's eat, guys, because this is my breakfast for today. So I have my spring roll here. Did you remember that I make a spring roll like 2 days from now? And then yeah, so I just mixing the pork, the ground pork, and then the carrots, right? And then the organic, the what do you call that? Onion and garlic, and then I put a soy sauce, a lot of ingredients for the spring roll, guys. So I am here again to show you what is my breakfast for today. So spring roll for today, guys. And then I have my yogurt, Greek yogurt. Yes, this one it's very healthy, guys, right? So without coffee, it's not perfect. So that's why I have coffee here. Yan, meron tayong coffee dito, guys. So it's good. And then I have a dark coffee. So as I am a Filipina, I need the brown sugar, guys. So okay, so I show you. So So, guys, we have like sugar that it's, I don't know where it comes from, but we have sugar here that I don't like. I don't want to use stevia. Stevia, it's very 100% pure, like made in organic, but I don't use it because even it's 0 calories. But when I put just a little bit, but it's very sweet and I don't like it. But it's very, very safe. 0 calorie sugar, so very nice, right? But better I choose my brown sugar. Ayan. So, binili ko to, guys. I bought this one, the Asian store here at the Empire Asian. So, here in Minnesota. So yummy, guys, no? So, we have this spring roll for my morning. And then, I need to have a Thai sweet chili sauce. So yummy, yeah? So, okay, guys, this is my, I'll show you because this is my daily life here. And as I promised that I make a videos every day, yeah, even it's just a little. So I can show you guys what is a food for today. Oh my God, very little only. So this is chili, guys. Very, very sweet. Thai sweet chili sauce. Wow, it's spicy. I like it. Yeah, I really like spicy, guys. Yep, and then, okay, we need to put a little bit brown sugar. Yes, to be sweet because I'm so sweet too. Yeah. So we need to put a sugar. It's a brown sugar. I know brown sugar, it's not very a lot of sugar that you can have a sugar a lot. No, because it's very nice, this one kind of sugar. So, let's eat, guys. Oh my God. We have our, a little bit story. Just story, guys, like a little story. So, guys, ito yung ano ko. This is my breakfast for today, a spring roll. So, we need to put a chili sauce, like a Thai sweet chili sauce. I know it's so yummy. Tastes so good. Wow. So delicious. I remember, guys, when I was in the Philippines, Cebu, because I live in Cebu. Yeah. Part in the place in the Philippines, Cebu. Yeah, like I live there. I was close to in Lapu-Lapu. Not so very close, but it's just only one ride to going there. If you take a taxi, just only one ride also. So nice. And then when I was there, yeah, I really like my two children really like to to eat this like a spring roll, and then I make for them, yeah, because you know, when I make a spring roll, guys, yeah, talagang anuhin ko talaga yung ilagay ko talaga sa heart kung gaano ko to ko anong lulutuin, i-mix yan. Yan. I put in my heart so that the result it's very yummy. Yeah. When I when I make a spring roll. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yummy, can you guess? Every time there, as I remember, if you have a fiesta, if you have a birthday celebration, a Christmas, yeah, because Christmas is coming, right? So Christmas, and then the New Year. So we have this in the Philippines, guys. Yeah, it's because you know Filipino they really like spring roll. Yeah, Filipino they love spring roll every time that we have a celebrations like birthday, Christmas, New Year's. Yeah, even no Christmas, no celebrations, we can make this one. Yeah, yeah, like for the food for the to prepare your family. Yeah. Yeah. After I eat, sus, if I just like, oh my god, I'm just alone. I eat these chips so very yummy. This one is 100% whole grain and so yummy, guys, because no colors from artificial sources. Yan. I have chips, guys, here. Yeah. So, pag wala talaga akong magagawa, nanood ako ng movie. Yan, kain ako ng chips. Tapos may coffee. Di talaga mawala talaga yung coffee, guys. Ewan ko lang sa isang araw, makailan ako ng glass sa coffee. I don't know how many cups that I drink coffee in one day. Because here, guys, so cold. Very, very cold. Sus, my God. You know, our brain like, I want to go out. I want to go somewhere. But you know, when you can see the ice, a lot of like ton of ice, you can say that better I'm home na lang to stay, and then clean the house, and then after clean the house, watching movie or making videos to you guys so that you will know how is my life here in Minnesota. Yeah. So ito tayo ngayon, guys, kasi before I was make a vlog there, you guys, like in every place or wherever I go, or I go to gym, in alt gym. Yeah, that's my wherever I go, that the gym that it's so nice for me. Alt gym is the best for me there. Yeah, it's in Lapu-Lapu, guys, so nice there. A lot of equipments. Yeah, I have a lot of friends there, so very, very nice and kind. Yeah. Yun ang sabi ko sa inyo, yun ang mga ginagawa ko doon sa Pilipinas. Gumagawa tayo ng videos doon, guys, tapos nag-promise ako sa inyo na kahit ako saan dadalhin, gawa talaga ako ng videos para i-share ko sa inyo. Yeah. I make a videos wherever I go. So, ayan. So, nandito na tayo ngayon. I am here na in the USA, Minnesota. So, I'm starting again here to make videos, guys, I can make you happy. Yeah. To show you how is Minnesota. Yeah. How is the cold here? Yeah, so nice or not? It's nice here because even it's cold, but as what they've said here, if you work here, it's so very different than the Philippines, right? Because here, like they give you the salary like every hour, right? But there in the Philippines, in our country, like it's minimum rate. And how much the minimum rate? So, and then you just work at 8 hours. Oh my God, 8 hours for the minimum rate. But here, it's just every hour they give you your, salary of how much dollars you can have. Yeah. So very different. Yeah. So nice here. Yeah, and then when it comes of the age, no discrimination, guys. That's very nice thing also, because here, yeah, when I go to the Target, like in every store here, I saw a like old person, like like my age, like, because me, I'm 50, right? And then like above like my age, yeah, they can work, they can still work. But there in the Philippines, my God, they when we like when we want to apply, so we can read it like 18 to 25 years old, like that. And I don't know, I don't understand also, so that's why, like, in my age, it's so hard not to work there in the Philippines, right? But as I don't, maybe only the business, yeah. So that's very, lots of people like to go here in the U.S. Yeah, because here you can make more money, right? And then you save your money here, and then bring in the Philippines, so that you can start a business or anything. Yeah, you can make an investment, like uh, I don't know, you can make an investment, for example, condo or house. Yeah, what you want. So you make money here, and then bring in the Philippines. Yeah, because Philippines, it's very cheap than here. Yeah. Mm, sorry. If you convert the dollars to peso, it's so very wow, like 50 plus the $1. So nice. Um, it's really nice if you work here. Very nice. Mm. So, ito talaga yung ano ko, guys. Yung breakfast ko. Yan. So, ayan. Pinakita ko sa inyo kung ano lang ang breakfast ko. Napaka-simple. Spring roll lang. Ito lang yung breakfast ko. Spring roll at saka coffee. At pagkatapos ko ng when I'm done for my breakfast, I have here, I have my spring roll, and I have my coffee, and I have my yogurt. Yes, so if I feel bored, or I can feel bored here, guys, even I'm alone here. Even you can see a lot of people in the outside, because they're so very busy to work. A lot of people here very busy work. So I can feel bored, because like now I'm just making videos, right, to show you guys. And then after, if I stop now my videos and then post it, I'm just doing cleaning the house. Yeah, do something that it will be, and then do exercise just a little bit. Yeah, so that's it. So very simple. Yeah, very simple. So guys, I'm hoping that you like for my videos for today. I did show you how is my breakfast for today. Like my food is only spring roll, right? And then I have yogurt, and then I have this, if you really like it now. So guys, hope you like my videos. So good morning to all of you guys. Hoping all my subscribers, they like it of my videos for today. So guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate who is the person, who is my followers, who subscribes me already. I really appreciate it. So guys, if you want to have a lot of videos that you can see my videos in my YouTube channel, subscribe for my YouTube channel, Ellie Betty, for my YouTube channel, and click the like and subscribe me and leave a comment Thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye. Bye for now. Have a good day. Have a good day. See you tomorrow again. Bye.